key passages. There are 10 key passages. This is in the green cycle for the children, the green cycle. The key passages, it doesn't matter what version you're studying, they're all the same. Here we go. You ready? The first one is the 10 Commandments. I teach the 10 Commandments through a formula, an equation. What is here on this side of the 20 has to equal what's on this side of the 20. So I think the 10 Commandments, the 10 plus X. Well, an X in Roman numerals represents what number? 10. So we say the 10 Commandments plus 10 plus X equals 20. So if this equals 20 over here, we have to have 20 over here. So 3 plus what equals 20? 3 plus 17. So we go, the 10 Commandments. The 10 Commandments, X, which stands for Exodus. The 10 Commandments, 10 plus X equals 20. 3 plus 17. The 10 Commandments, Exodus, 20, 3 through 17. The 10 Commandments.